attacking me, son.
You hit it.
I hit this guy out of a wall.
That's a good idea.
And it worked too. Except that
Don't make them do anything. I'll just walk them in and then they'll sit.
I need more stuff. Where's my pick? Do you have my pick?
Yeah.
Bro. I thought, yeah, I'll hit this.
But there's a glitch where they're actually sitting, but they look like they're standing. Come on, they're fighting to get into the door. Here, I gotta move this one.
I'm a doggy.
Teach me how to doggy.
I'm a doggy.
Oh. Okay, sit down.
Give me some ham. My tail's down. Yeah, it's down.
I don't even see a tail. You must be really wounded.
Yep, I'm just not wounded.
Come on, get in here. Okay, now sit down. What are you? Where are they coming from?
The dog hole is not big enough.
Cool has one dog. We found 3 legit, and these ones are just like spawn. Here, maybe there's some still over there. Come with me.
Okay. Do you have any bones?
Yeah, 47.
Can I have some?
When we get there.
Ooh.
I blew it up too.
What up?
Yeah, a thing to get rid of it. Ooh, skeleton. Here. They don't spawn in dark.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't. They spawn in more than 7 light.
Oh, more than 7 out of supposed. Let's go up. Wolf assertion.
It was right in here. This was the thing. It used to be a pig spawner. Here, I can do it right now. Like I can, if you put down 1, I can exit the server and do my magic in single player.
Oh, I don't care. What is this house?
Oh, that's just the other side to the pig thing that Pants Eater made. Creeper. What's this creeper doing? He's creeping.
Oh, I'll kill it.
Half a heart of damage. And what did you get?
2.5, because I got a piece of ham. Oh my god, there's a creeper on
I
top.
saw it. Yeah. Let's go kill it.
Okay. Let's go.
Or we can lead him off. Here, I'm gonna lead him off. I'm just gonna make a tower and then he's gonna fall off.
Okay. I'm gonna climb up.
He fell.
Oh, hello, creeper. Hello.
He's still alive.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, he's not after you.
Hello, creeper. Creeper. Hello, guys. You killed that creeper.
Who's your cute?
Hello, baby. Hello, baby, creeper. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Here, take a video of this.
I am.
Oh. Hello, baby, creeper. You want some dirt?
He died. Wait, he wasn't even after any of us. That was weird. Da -da -da -da. What you looking at?
I have a gun.
I pooped.
I'm gonna go explore.
Explore! Oh, wait, I have to finish that video. I have to combine the clips. Cause you put them into 9 different clips. Thanks a lot.
No, Fraps did that. That wasn't me.
Nah, you did that. Nick put it into 2, thanks. And then you put it into 9.
How do I change it?
I don't know, ask him. I don't have fraps.
I didn't change any of this.
But you're a failure. you can't even do anything with fraps.
You want to see how stupid cool the setup here is? It's got some switches.
No, it's supposed to be like a combination thing. Well, that's what you think, but then you just take one of these things and put it right next to it. So you can just put like a switch right there, and it works. Nick, he did a. This is his wolf. You want to kill it?
Yes.
No, don't kill his dog.
I'll punch it and then give it.
No, I already got it. Like, it's sitting. It was sitting down and like killing you.
Is it gonna jump through the hole there?
Come on. Kill it.
Ow!
Yeah. If you touch it, it hurts you.
Close the door. I don't want it. No.
Come on, get out there. Get out there and fight, Rocky.
Oh. You'll suck.